creating my final essay, I start a new document. I add my name, course date. If I completed the course evaluation and I've earned that bonus 0.5 points, I add that. I make sure that I'm set to Times New Roman 12 font. Over here, I want to make sure that I have selected double space. Next, I add the title in any font I like, and then I add the title image. No logos, no words, no cartoons. Next, I include the abstract. Remember, I have this set to Times New Roman, double spaced, and I include my abstract. Indent the first word and write the abstract. Next is the essay. If I have chosen to write my essay in sections, which I like to do for a longer essay, but you're not required, I just never want the reader to be lost or to wonder where we are in this particular essay. If we want to do that, then we will label that introduction or whatever section we like, and we include the remainder of the essay, like so. After I've completed the essay, then I want to start, because this is a long essay, I'm going to start a new page for my works cited. Remember, for the shorter essays we did throughout the semester, you were able to put the works cited right underneath the end of the essay. However, for this longer multiple source essay, we want the works cited to go on its own page. Let's review that real quickly. I go over to EasyBib, I find my project, I see all of my citations, I click Export All, and I select either to export as a Word document or as a Google Doc, whichever you prefer. And then I open that citation page. I've done mine as a Word document, and everything is perfect. Notice that there are no live URLs in this entire document. That is correct. There should be no live URLs anywhere in this. Now, I have this, and I will copy it, and I will paste it into my master document. Let's practice that together. Select all. To copy this, I'm going to go over to my master document that I'm creating, right? So we now have the thing, the abstract, the essay, and now I'm going to go ahead and just paste that in here, and then I will add spaces to make that on a page of its own. Actually, this is going to go longer than a page, of course, but I'm going to go ahead and put that at the end of the essay, and then just go enter, 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 enter until yours is not going to be this long, I realize, but we want to just add this till it's on its own page. Whoops. Now, under that is where I will paste my outline. It doesn't have to be pretty. I just need it to be able to see how you organized your logic, and it does need to be a complete sentence outline. There it is. I'm going to go up here to View, Review, Word Count, and this is my words. Yours will be less. Now, remember, that's for this draft. And I am going to count works cited once. But I'm going to count all those other rough drafts also. So when I include this word count, yes, there's 8,100 words here. Yours will be less, I realize. But I need to also add in all of my rough drafts. And I'm going to calculate that and add that right there. Remember, this is your calculation. I'm never going to question you. And once I've done this, now it's time for me to walk away from the computer and then come back later and look this all over, because in the process of pasting all that information and so forth, I might have, something might have come in wrong. The images need to be moved around again. Let me show you. Sometimes in the process of adding everything, this image might be all over the place. It might have ended up here. I need to make sure that I toggle that and put it exactly where I want it to go. Right? checking everything out as I go through to make sure everything is exactly like I want it. Nothing's fallen off the page. Everything has been cited correctly with the quotations, the parenthesis, the quotation, the source, the period is on the outside, wrapping everything up like a little tidy sentence. I'm completely happy. I save the file as a PDF and I submit it. Yay!